Imagine mo, you're walking on thousands and thousands of years of history. Rise and shine na. 4 AM gising na. 3:30 gising na ako, so freshen up na ako. And pick up ko kasi is at 4:30 dito naman sa hotel. I book everything with them. Bus kasama na, yung train kasama na, tapos may tour guide ka na rin. Hindi po pwede kasi na hindi ka mag-tour. Yun lang yun. Kasi if I'm not mistaken, hindi lang talaga siya pwede. Parang, or baka mahihirapan ka. Kung 4 tayo umalis ngayon, might finish at around 8 PM or even at as late as 10 PM. So, when you book these things, hindi ka pwedeng,
oh, may flight ka na, mamaya.
Ganon, hindi ka siya pwedeng ganun kasi friend, late ka na makakauwi, tapos makapagising mo, ganun. So, best na, I think, tagalan mo. So, buti na lang, I'm like 4 days ako dito, diba? So, Arab 12, that's 13 today for the tour. Then 14, I'll go to another tour, which is the Rainbow Mountain. Tapos rest ako, and then switch tayo ng hotels. Because alam niyo naman, makikita tayo ng hotels para makita natin ibang hotels dito. And yun, bago tayo mag-view. So, ito na, sinuli na tayo. And then, sabi ko, patulong ako magpa-photo mga ganun lang, o diba? Gosh, I'm so excited. Ito na siya. Ito na yung moment that we're waiting for. Hour na kami sa bar, 1.5 hour na. Yung malayo pa kasi may bus pa, tapos may train. So parang dalawa yung sasakyan mo pa. So, in fairness, buong araw talaga siya. Guys, ito na siya. 8:53 pa yung car ko. So guys, ang ticket ko was Inca Rail. So dito kayo magsastop. Ang ganda. Parang 2 hours ang Poche. Guys, kasi 6:30 na eh. Umalis kami 4:30 kanina, diba? So, Tagol! Tagol, B! Inca Rail. Ayan, yung train tickets. So, I think dito kami mag-ride ng train, guys. So, basta susunod ko muna tong tour guide namin. And malalaman natin. Buti yung sapatos ko tama kasi at least naka-ano ko on na waterproof. Guys, parang kailangan ko bumili ng isang ganito para maganda photo ko later. Diretso na, you'll show your passport plus your train ticket. So guys, ito yung stations mo. And then you have to just wait. If ever sa labas, marami ka nang pwedeng gawin. You can definitely go and buy your food. So, it depends on what time you bigay sa yung train. Like sa akin, 8:23 pa. So, kailangan ko pa mag-intay. But there's like, where you can buy ponchos. And sabi sa akin na hindi ko na kailangan ng poncho daw kasi maganda naman daw yung weather. And then there's like cafes out here that you can wait. Kung naka-Inca Rail ka, you can actually go and wait here sa waiting area nila. And ang ganda dito kasi may restroom, tapos may cafe as well. So everything that you might need is also here. And then meron ko pang coffee bar station here. So pwede kayo uminom, bumili ng food and snacks. And then guys, dito naman, you have your restroom as well. And ang ganda ng area niya. So this for Inca Rail. Guys, yung train station. And then dito ka mag-iintay. May waiting area sila doon. So, malapit na rin daw train ko. So, we'll just go there. And guys, yun mo, oh. Ganito to. Oh my God, look at this. Ganda! So guys, ayun no, may Peru Rail na waiting area rin here. If ever you do need it. At tao, bumibili na ng poncho. So, bumibili na rin ako ng poncho. Ito yung waiting area ng Peru Rail. Ito pala yung isang train na ito lang. Special na train to. Ito lang siya yung parang isang cart lang. So, pipila ka and then nandiyan yung mga carts mo. For us, it's A. So, pila tayo dito sa A. super excited. Passport and boarding pass tayo, guys. Ganun yung importante. So, kanina yung train, apparently yung mas malaki, dapat yung mas maliit. So, it depends on ano nakuha mo. So, I think ito kasi, di ba, pag 360 siya, mas maganda. And then, ito ata yung may kasamang lunch. So, malalaman natin siya lahat mamaya. Hi!
Hello. Okay. Número 10 para ser Jake's Race.
Thank you, guys.
Gracias. Ito na. Pag-asisisi. Tapos ang ating seat is 10 kasi nandiyan sa ticket mo. So later may susundo daw sa atin. Ora, ito yung buong train. Gusto ko hindi natin malalaman kung saan yung seat number. Ayan, 10. Ganyan siya. And then may luggage storage doon. And guys, 360 talaga siya here. Oh. Yun yung kanadahan mo. You can buy food here.
Está prohibido fumar inclusive cigarrillos electrónicos y por ninguna circunstancia puede pasar de un coche a otro. El equipo de primeros auxilios se encuentra en el área de servicio a bordo. Ante cualquier situación, nuestra tripulación estará encantada de asistirlo. Blue Whale, 25 years creating once in a lifetime journeys.
Surrounded by majestic landscapes of mountains and rivers, covering a distance of 42 kilometers or 27 miles.
So guys, 1.5 hour roughly yung train ride mo. And then, panoramic view siya. So I would recommend if you can book pag-upgrade ka, why not? Kasi hindi ka naman lagi pupunta na Machu Picchu at ang layo-layo sa Manila. And then, may free snacks on board din daw to. Ito, hindi pala ako bumili kanina, pero sa Tom Jones na ang lola nyo kanina. Pero guys, ang ganda talaga dito. Look at ito. Grabe. Parang gusto ko lang i-leave tong camera on the whole time that I'm here. Ganda. Ang perfect ng cones, oh, guys, oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're approaching the town of Chipra, where you can see the mountain peak Verona, with an altitude of 5,700 meters above sea level. This is the most important mountain in the Urubamba mountain range. The peak was first summited in 1956 by a group of Chief Chipka is a farming community with a population of approximately 200 people. The cave is also a plant, which is used to dye textile and in hemp green color.
May towns rin dito, guys, oh. It's 10 o'clock na, so medyo parang lumalamig na rin yung panahon. Wala na yung araw. But it's a nice day. Ang ganda. Tapos may music pa, diba? Yung buong train. So, scenic talaga siya. And later pa uwi, iba naman. So, ang ganda. Nag-Peru Rail ako now. And then later naman, Inca Rail naman ako.
Dear passengers, we will shortly be arriving at our final destination, Machu Picchu Pueblo Station. Please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop, and ensure you have all your personal belongings with you. Please take one of the authorized buses for your visit to the wonder of Machu Picchu, a sacred place filled with mystical energy. Peru Rail is honored to be part of your incredible journey. We hope your visit to Machu Picchu will be unforgettable.
Okay, ito na. We're off the train. Nagpapahuli ako. I realize ganito pala dapat. Lagi tayo nagpapahuli kasi meron pang time to get the train. And then, we will ride a bus. So, mali ako, guys. So, car, train, bus. Tapos, pagdating mo doon, Machu Picchu. Kasi yung ticket ko nasa 11 eh. Ganyan na siya. So, ito na yung buong train stop mo dito. Or parang yung train stop mo. And hahanapin ko yung tour guide ko. Yung labas ng train stop, guys. So, ganda. So, we need to go to the bus station. Abangan nyo yung tour guide. para at least ihahatid kayo dire-diretso na papunta doon sa bus station. So, depending on anong bus kunin nyo, ganun yung mangyayari. Ganun yung kailangan nyo gawin. And then may mga shops to if kailangan nyo mag-intay. Oh guys, ito ang ganda! My God, this is so nice! Look! Ganda! And then may mga shops yan dito as well. So, pwede kayo mag-shop dito. And then, ayan, i-wait natin yung bus with our tour guide. Gracias.
If you want, you can sit in front, eh? You have at the side.
Can? Okay, I will sit in front.
Okay.
Guys, pinasit ako sa front ng bus. Pwede daw. I love it. Tingnan mo naman ang cute. Sobra. Ito, diba? Yung 25 minutes pala na to na bus, talagang aakyat tayo ng bundok. Kaya siya ganon. 25 minutes because you have to climb the mountain. It's like going up the mountain with a car or with a bus. And bangin na yun dyan sa gilid. With all the footages that you're going to see, guys, bangin na yun sa gilid na yan. So talagang ang gagaling ng bus drivers. So I must say. And usually single lane lang to. Kaya if may dalawang buses, kailangan mag-stop na isang bus doon sa isang side of the bay or side of the road. Then, para pumunta or makapasok sa pang bus. Grabe, diba? Look! Galing na bus driver namin. Ito na, I'm so excited. After how many days? God, ito na. At saka guys, yung bangin talaga sa gilid. Oh my God, yan na siya. Everything paakyat. Yan guys. Oh my gosh, yung may alpaca. Get ready to climb. Akyat tayo. Bawal mapagod. Sun Festival daw sila before din naging Pasko. Parehas lang sa atin naging Pasko, guys.
The infidelity was punished. What did they do to the man? They cut the pegs.
Day, mag-cheat ka daw. Puputulin yung tapos daw tatahiin daw yung Daw North yan. Lang tayo. US daw nandun. Brazil nandun daw. And guys, malapit sa Amazon kaya ulan ng ulan. For stability daw yan. 2 million tourists lang daw siya a year.
Kasi mahirap daw pumunta, di ba? But kaya siya 7 Wonders of the World, the new 7 Wonders of the World kasi ano daw yung geography. It's between mountains. And pumasok ka, kaya ang ganda ng location. January, Feb, March, ganun yung calendar niya. Yung mga bees niya, 6. 6 pa ganito daw. Ang galing. Ganda. So amazed. House of the High Priest. Lock mo daw yan. Ganun daw itsura niya. Lock. We're walking inside talaga houses. Ito house. House talaga.
This is the house, the bedroom for the most important person.
Ito daw, kubeta. Ng king. Tapos ito daw yung door. So sabi nila, baka matangkad yung king mo dati. Ito pala. Ito nilalagay gamit nila. Oh my gosh, guys, diba? Don't imagine you're walking on thousands and thousands of years of history. Oh my gosh. Grabe. Ganda. Recreate ko to. Photo nito. Right?
Impressive. After more 500 years, the water is coming still. People this in old tradition.
Imagine. Guys. Sobrang sulit. 2.5 hours to. So, maglalakad kayo, mag-hike kayo. So, may mga parang 1, 2, 3 na zones. So, sa 3 kami ngayon. Tapos, yung kay Ann Curtis daw, nasa 2 daw yun. Siyempre, kay Ann Curtis talaga tayo, diba? Dahil we love her. And then, but di mga tours mo kasi dahil ito papasok ka sa mga house, makita mo, usually sa 3 nila ginagawa, sa pinakababa siya pala. Ganun siya. Akit ulit tayo. Ganda nitong area to photo shot. Ang daming photo areas dito at photo opportunities. Guys, wala daw yung Inca mustache. Ang mustache daw pala pag malayo sa equator. Something new kaya wala tayong mustache kasi malapit tayo sa equator. Interesting. Whoosh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Naglag yung Spain ng king. Binaon. Tapos nung ilalabas ngayon, nag-crack na. So hindi na nila mabalik daw. Wala na yung pillar stone niya. Kung photo spot mo rin to, as in, maganda siya dito guys. Tingnan mo. Kasi may bundok. Buwis buhay tayo sa ganitong life. But, I love it. Tapos kung naiwan ka daw ng tren, pwede ka daw mag-hike. 4 na araw papunta doon sa saan tayo nag-train. Tapos 9 days daw papuntang Cusco. Vamos. Alam mo, feeling ko, ma-practice ang Spanish ko dito. Guys, tingnan mo yung gitna niya, no? Dagat na. Ay, hindi dagat, river na siya. Kung malaglag ka, day. Naku. Makita mo yung daan na dinaanan natin dun sa bus. Yun talaga yun, no? Yung nandun sa dulo yung puting kaalye. Ang taga dito, oh. Oh my God. Ang bigat ng bag ko. Alam mo, hindi mo masasabi. Pwede ka magdala ng poncho kasi yung poncho mo, kailangan mo baka umulan. And kadalasan daw dito umuulan. So, kung swerte ka, walang ulan. So, yun. Swerte tayo today, guys.
Getting over there, we walk. That is our circuit 3.
Oh.
The circuit 2 is going just up there and walking around.
Okay.
And the circuit 1 is just only the terraces up there. Can you see?
Yes.
Those people belong to the Circuit 1, but they don't have the chance to walk inside. For the reason, the best ticket I can suggest you, the Circuit 2. If you don't have the Circuit 2,
So, hindi 2 yung nakuha natin, di ba? 3 yung nakuha natin. Yung kay Ann Curtis, di ba? So, yun daw yung best. Pero dapat 3 months before bumili ka na. So, tip na yan ha. Galing na yan sa tour guide natin. O, di ba? Kay Wally. Naku, ang bad ko sa names, guys. I'm so sorry. Daniel pala, sorry. Ayun, nakita na yung sun dyan. Magkataniman na
you
daw.
have the Gregorian calendar.
Oo, galing mo yan yun. Ano siya? Mirror. In fairness, 120 pala, 115. Tama, 2.5 hours nga talaga siya na tour. Not bad. Oh, bangil-bangil talaga dito, guys. Oh. Offer din daw dito ng Coca Leaf, guys. And the last pictures na daw here. You say, King Koi Kama, I want to see you again. Ito daw ang kailangan mo gawin. Guys, yung daan natin kanina, oh. 1:30. Sakto. Saktong-sakto. 2.5 hours. Tapos ito na naman yung bus. So kailangan ready ka na sa bus ticket. My gosh, feeling ko umitim ako. Pero nag-sunlock naman ako. Pero worth it. Guys po, ang tour dito, pag pauwi na kayo, sit on the right side of the bus para you get these views. Tip ulit yan, o diba? Umuulan na dito ngayon, guys. As in, umuulan na siya. So, sobrang perfect. So, now we're off to lunch. Kakain na kami. My gosh, thank you, Lord, so much for this experience. Thank you, guys. As in, ngayon siya umuulan. Ang lunch namin, parang sa isang Inca restaurant na may hotel daw. So at least, 2:00. Hindi AM ngayon sa Manila eh. So medyo, hindi rin ako makakapag-usap sa tao. Pero, baka pwede ako matulog para at least makarest ako. Inas naman dito sa restaurant na to. The site is giving. Ayan daw ang breakfast. Ay doon tayo kakain. Sa Incaterra tayo kakain ng lunch. Yan na yung dinner place. Hike siya. Guys, para sa alam nyo na, pag ito yung binook mo, ganito siya. Okay, ito siya. In fairness, maganda naman ang restaurant. Cute yung hotel niya, guys, ha? In fairness, maganda itsura. Like, hindi ka mapapahiya sa ganitong hotel. Ayan, yung restaurant. Ito. Yan yung menu mo, guys. Ano ito? So, kasama isang appetizer, isang main course, tapos isang drinks. Ito yung kanina. Not bad. Cute rin, no? Before you have your train ride. Going back to the train. Abangan natin siya. Tapos, uulitin mo lang siya basically. Train ka ulit. Tapos, hintayin mo yung car. So, mga 8:00 na tayo makakauwi. O, 10:00. Guys, ito yung train station mo. So, make sure nandyan yung ticket mo at saka yung pass. And then, hintayin mo mag-boarding na lang. Umuulan! Diretso na tayo, guys. So, pwede na. Habang umuulan, pinapapasok ka na. So, guys, ayan na. Kasi V tayo, diba? Yung sa ticket mo, dapat matches. And then, you're gonna go hop on the bus. At the train pala. So, kung V siya, V rin yung train. So, ganun siya dapat. And then, ito yung train mo. So, 6 window. And ito yung train mo. In fairness, ang ganda ng train. So guys, yung ano ko ngayon is Inca Rail na. Diba kanina nag-Peru Rail tayo. Pero, kung mag-ano ka, dapat kunin mo yung seat number 9 to 14 or 9 onwards. Kasi, hindi naman to yung seat ko dito, yung 6. hindi siya 360. Eh, di ba, 360 nga yung gusto niya. But yung sa likod, 360 naman. Guys, meron silang snacks and then chocolate. And then may coffee, coca tea. So guys, medyo nag-stop yung train natin. So I don't know ano mangyayari, but dead ba na? May coffee naman kami. Mas cute yung cups nila here. Yan naman na. Mas cute yung cup nila, di ba? Try na to. Sorry, naka-ganito angle ko kasi guys, syempre, we don't want to bother other people. Not bad, no? Oh my God, masarap. Guys, sa Imperial, meron silang live band dito sa Panoramic. So, may nag-drums, tapos may nag-video. At syempre, alam nyo na, matanda na ako. Ayoko na sumali sa ganyan. Pero cute naman. If you guys want to. Pero like ako, okay na ako dito. Mas gusto ko nakaupo. Mas maganda, mas pakita yung scene. Pero ang maganda naman, at least may options ka. So, kung gusto mo makinig ng music, pwede ka pumasok to. Kung ayaw mo naman, sa labas ka lang, tingnan mo yung scenery. So, Inca Rail, may music. Si Peru Rail, walang music. So, since we have time, ang gawin ko na lang is i-recap ko yung buong Machu Picchu, paano natin siya ginawa. And the thing here is, alam nyo naman na ever since bata ako, ito talaga gusto ko gawin. So, lahat ng tours ko, binuko ko siya sa clock. Yung itsura niya should be this one. Ito siya. Tapos may options siya. So, meron kang options na superior or meron kayong parang mas high na clear yung buong cart mo. So, it depends kung ano yung mas gusto mo doon. So, kung gusto mo yung mas mura, pero mas mura siya ng konti. Pero yung panoramic, nasa 22,000 pesos siya. Pwede na, medyo mahal. Pero guys, isipin mo meron kang tren, meron kang bus, meron ka pang private transfer. So, what happened sa buong araw is alas 4, gising ka na. Or mga alas 4:30. Tapos, kailangan mo nang hintayin yung text mo. So, for example, yung sa akin, kahapon, eto, so kahapon, nag-message yung tour guide, operator. Sabi niya, okay, bring clothes, bring shoes, bring your hat, sunglasses, mosquito repellent, raincoat, and sunscreen. Tapos, guys, ang importante, lahat dito, isasend niya na lahat ng tickets mo. Ticket mo ng train, ticket mo sa bus, ticket mo rin ng Machu Picchu. So, for example, ito yung Machu Picchu ticket. Tapos, yung bus mo, nandito naman. May mga QR to guys ha. And then, yung tren mo nandito. Medyo Ayan. Ito, for example, yung tren mo, nandyan. And then, afterwards, ito yung isa mo pang train. Ang nangyari lang sa akin, guys, 'di ba? Yung papunta ko was Peru Rail, tapos yung balik ko naman is Inca Rail. So, ang ganda naman is, na-compare ko yung dalawang dalawang train. So, mukhang mas maganda si Inca Rail for me. So, you be the judge. Let me know. And then, importante, bring your passport kasi every time you go in, you'll bring. Now, when may lunch na option, bumili ako yung may lunch na option. So, yung kanina yung pinakita, may lunch option na yan. Okay yung lunch. As in, if nakuha mo yung same tour na sa akin, sobrang sarap ng lunch niya. May appetizer, may lunch, tapos meron ka pang dessert. Tapos, yung drinks hindi kasama. So, if bibili ka, kanya-kanyang drinks lang siya. So, yun yung isa mo kailangan tingnan. And then, now, natapos kami, or, di ba, alas 4, ako pumunta, 11 o'clock, nandun na ako sa Machu Picchu. And then, 1:30, natapos kami. Then, kakain ka, mga 1 hour, and then afterwards, pwede ka umikot sa town. Pero, if maaga yung train mo naman, papunta, pwede ka na umikot sa city. Kasi, if ever maaga siya, di ba, parang you have time. Kasi iintayin mo lahat ng tao sabay. And ang kagandahan, yung tour guide namin, 4 lang kami. So, parang small group tour kami, which you have more time for your photos. So, yun yung maganda. I highly recommend take a small group. Don't go with big groups. Alam ko mas mura yung mga big groups, pero if this is like a dream come true for you, di ba? Go. And lastly, if you can look for Circuit 2, yung Circuit 2 yung mas maganda ang kunin mo. Kasi around the perimeter siya ng Machu Picchu. Circuit 3 daw kasi is sa baba, yung ginawa ko kanina. Circuit 1 naman, nasa tuktok ng mountain, overlooking lang. Yon. So, I hope this is helpful. I hope if ever my dreams are kayo to go to Machu Picchu, go, push nyo yan. As in, kung nagawa ko mag-isa, I'm sure kaya nyo rin isa. All the links down below, I'll put it there. Lahat ng mga kailangan nyo rin, lahat ng mga restaurants, I'll have a Google parang list as well para meron kayong kakainan. So, yun lang. And I'll wait for the train to arrive in the city, then balik tayo sa city as well. Feeling ko, mga 8 na tayo makakauwi. Tingnan natin kung 8 o'clock tayo makakauwi. Yun lang. Bye, guys! Done. So, 6 o'clock na, guys. So, pwede naman. At least, okay, we're done. We're back in civilization. So, itay lang natin yung mga bus. So guys, marami talaga. So, kailangan mo alamin yung tour mo. So, I got Lima Tours pala for this. Guys, ito na yung parking lot. Lahat kotse. Dito kayo sasakay para umuwi. So, hindi ko alam kung lumiit na yung kotse o lumaki. Ay, maliit pa rin. Bongga! Back in my hotel, guys. Patay na rin yung watch ko. So, masaya naman ako. At least, I'm so happy with it. Thank you so much for this trip and this tour. Pero feeling ko kailangan ko kumain. I think I will just eat in the restaurant kasi gusto ko nang matulog. Ay, mag-rest. So, habol ako to get dinner. Kahit na 9 p.m. na. There's like an organic restaurant here. It's called Organica. Tapos, highly rated siya. Siyempre, hihingal tayo, di ba? Ayan. Organica. Ganda, no? Farm to table siya, guys. And ito lahat ng mga... They also have wine. Ooh, cocktail, oh. Uy, grabe. Organic cocktails. Oh my God. I'm gonna love this place. Oh my gosh, I mean. Guys, this is their Horasar. Again, may chika. Diba sobrang sikat daw yung chika? It's good daw for digestion. So let's try that. Sarap. It doesn't taste like corn husk, pero masarap siya. It tastes like a normal wispy sour, made from chika. Yung chika pala is made from corn na alak. This is complimentary. Mga chips daw nila siya with spinach. Ita-try natin siya, guys. Sarap. Ang sarap. So, ayan guys. I got the salad. Look at it. It's cute, diba? I got the salad. At gusto ko talaga ng salad kasi guys, we need salad in our lives. Grilled cheese kung gusto mo, may lasa. Avocados, oh my god, special. Sarap. Gooseberry. Oh gosh, guys, ang sarap to. Some of this food actually medyo pricey, pero masarap talaga food nila sa Peru. It's so true. Oh my gosh, guys, this is their pizza. It's homemade to. Handmade lahat to. And syempre may gulay and recommend daw nila to. Kasi kakaiba yung flavor. Oh my gosh, look at the crust to. Oh my gosh. Malinis kamay ko, guys. Naghugas ako. Sarap. Ang lambot ng crust. Ito naman guys, may Aperol to. Guys, look oh, they also give this. Ang cute to. Organica, don't forget. Ito siya. Sarap talaga. Walang tapon sa food nila. Thank you so much, Organica, for this. It's so cute. Look at this, diba? It's mousse. They're very known for their chocolate mousse. And then meron daw strawberry jam. Sarap. Sarap. Guys, their food here, sarap. Masarap talaga. So alam niyo na yan, organic ka. Gosh, the food is really good. Alam mo, sabi ko nga, wala pang isang tapo na food kain ko sa Peru. I mean, my gosh. Yesterday, the beef was good. Ano ba yung kahapon ko na isa? Yung appetizer, the ceviche was good. Today naman, my pizza was really good. The salad, ang sarap. Grabe. Even olives nila, sabi nila, the olives is like a special marinated olives nila dito. Masarap sobra. I don't like olives, pero dito sabi ko, kain ko siya. Their cocktails are also really good. So sabi ko, guys, so now, binila ako ng tubig. Takot, may mga aso dito, guys. Alam niyo man, takot ako sa... Alam mo, pag ganun daw, relax. Huwag mo rin pakita na takot ka. Ganun daw.